How you doing? Hey, get away, get away. Hey, get away. He's peeing on you. Hey, buddy. Come here, girl. Sit. Sit. Come here. Girl. Sit. Hey. Hey. Sit. Sit. Good girl. Good. You win. Yeah, you win. Yeah, you win. Okay.
The bone? Good bone. Yeah. Dolly! We need your face. Good girl, Dolly! Oh, look at this face, Bruce.
It's a face only your mother could love.
Oh, I love her.
How
Dolly.
many dogs do you have?
3. You good girl, Dolly. Can I have shake? Shake?
Says no.
Huh?
Says
You
no.
know, sit.
You don't
You want
sit.
your bone?
Good girl.
You want your bone?
You could be.
You're
could
such a
learn-
pretty girl.
You could learn
You're
sit.
such a pretty girl, and we can take her up in there. And Robbie can't come up, but we can take a video of him running up there.
Okay.
Why don't we do that, and that way Larry can see. You ready to go up into the other thing? I'm going to grab that bone for you because you seem to like it.
Well, there's only one way to find
Yeah.
out.
Can I bring him to the end of the fence?
fire me. Uh-oh.
She's like me. She's a rebel.
With a purpose. Where's Mr. Roosh? There you are. We're going to take a video for Larry. Is Robbie from around here?
Yeah, for the last, she's originally
I gotta
from,
empty this poo. That's disgusting.
originally from Florida. Originally from Florida.
Robbie, we can't allow you here.
Okay.
But,
Where's it go? Oh, look at her.
go ahead down. Where are you from in Florida?
What you doing, girlfriend? What you doing, girlfriend? What you doing? What are you doing?
Like she's young.
I'm gonna.
She was here as a puppy last year, May.
Oh, baby.
Isn't she a
Well,
sweetheart?
she's still like gallops.
Yeah.
Like, she doesn't know how to. Can you kiss? Good girl. Good girl. A nice black nose. Yeah. Do you have a dog at home? How many? Oh, two?
Two
What
little
kind?
ones.
The little ones?
Rock Terriers and Chihuahua Yorkie.
Oh my God, that's little. What was the first one?
Rock Terrier.
Oh.
20 pounds. A red terrier?
Yeah.
My sister
Oh
had
yeah,
one
his
of those.
sister had a rat terrier.
It's a 20 pound.
They're
They
fast
so
little
protective.
dogs.
They so protective.
But yeah.
Oh yeah.
He don't let me go when he stayed in my daughter's room. Nobody go there
Uh-huh.
except her and her daughter. But somebody else tried to go there.
Which one is this?
He's gonna